Hi and welcome back to Adventure North. So, is the stock protection on the 450 MT good enough? Today I'm upgrading the skid plate and the crash bars, and I talk about the handguards I've been running for months. I'm trying to keep everything lightweight but still provide protection for engine, handlebars and levers. So let's get into it. The 450 MT is great off-road, but the stock skid plate is thin and the coverage is not that good. I mean, it's fine for gravel, but once you hit real trails, you want proper protection before the first impact. Learning the hard way might be fun on YouTube, but not so much when you are the one paying for the repairs. Here is the setup I'm installing today. A 4mm aluminium skid plate and with added 3mm on the sides from Raid Garage. This is Raid Garage lightweight skid plate. They also offer a skid plate that covers more of your engine and have a storage for tools. Then we will add lightweight aluminium crash bar from CFMOTO and the Polisport Trail Blazer handguards that I've been using for months, with a few very unplanned drop tests. The new skid plate adds 1.1 kilo over the stock one, but it's 4 times thicker and offers real protection. The crash bars are around 2.8 kilos, which is much lighter than all steel options, which is around 5 kilos, so almost half the weight. And the whole point is simple: real protection, low weight. Let's mount the skid plate. The installation is straightforward. It feels solid, no flex, and this is the kind of coverage you want for rocky terrain or crossing logs. And one thing I really want to highlight here: if you plan to ride off-road, don't wait too long before upgrading the skid plate. A hard hit can crack the engine case. And the lower frame tubes on the 450 MT, let's say they feel like they are made of recycled soda cans or something like that. They are soft. And when they get bent, it can be really difficult to mount a new skid plate properly. And how do I know that? Well, don't ask. So yes, better to install proper protection before things get out of shape. Next up, the crash bars. These aluminium bars are light, strong and sit close to the bike, so it adds a lot of protection while keeping the weight down. For me, the crucial part is to protect the engine. I can live with a few scratches on the plastics, but a cracked engine will cancel riding for quite a while and might be costly to repair. The handguards are the Polisport Trail Blazer. I've used them for several months, and they survived multiple drops. And no bent handlebar or snapped levers. And honestly, handguards and skid plates is the easiest upgrade you can make for off-road riding. So here is the complete lightweight protection setup for 450 MT. A stronger skid plate, but still lightweight. Lightweight crash bars and proven handguards. Clean, functional and ready for off-road. If you want the same skid plate, Raid Garage gave me 15% discount code, ADV North. I don't earn anything extra from it. It's just a nice bonus for anyone who wants to get one. And before I go, there's a big upgrade coming soon. New suspension and new wheels. This will be next level upgrades. So things are about to change quite a bit on this bike. And of course, you know, I try to keep this channel small, so please don't subscribe. Don't do it. Thanks for watching. Ride safe and see you in the next one.